Hey all, and welcome to another quick help video. And today we're dealing with a Hikvision frequently asked question, and that is, why is my Hik-Connect app not working when I leave my house? Okay, so this is a very common issue, probably the most common one, and the reason this is happening is because you added the device when your phone was using the Wi-Fi. Now when you do this, it's going to think it's a local area network. Basically it thinks it's another PC or device inside the house, and when you leave the Wi-Fi area and go to data, it will not work. Okay, so what you have to do is delete the device, add it again, but turn off your Wi-Fi and use your data. Okay, and once you've added it, it just takes a minute to add it, then you can go back and use Wi-Fi, data, anything you like once it's added. Okay, that's not a problem. So to delete the device, just click on your DVR or camera, whatever the device is, scroll down to the bottom and you should see somewhere that says delete device. Click on delete the device, go to the main menu again, and then you should have a blank menu. You should have no devices there, and then you can go ahead and add it again in the normal method. Okay, if you're unsure how to add the device again, I'll leave some links below how to set up the app, but it's pretty straightforward, guys. So hopefully now you should at least know the issue anyway and should be able to fix it. So thanks for watching another one. Got loads of FAQs. If you're interested, guys, please check out our playlist for more information. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in another one. Bye bye.